Hello, good morning. Today I am reviewing a book called The God of Small Things. It's a novel. It is the debut novel of Indian writer by Arundhati Roy. Let's discuss about the author. Sujana Arundhati Roy is an Indian author best known as for novel The God of Small Things by 1997, which won the Man Booker Prize for Fiction in 1997 and became the best-selling book by a non-expertise Indian author. She is also a political activist involved in human rights and environmental causes. Let's come into the story. It is a story about the childhood experiences of fraternal twins who lives are destroyed by the love loss that lay down who should be loved and how much. The book explores how the small things affects the people behavior and their lives. The story is set in Amiyamanam, now part of Kottayam district in Kerala, India. The temporal setting shifts back and forth between 1969, when fraternal twins Rahel, it's a girl, and Ithapen, boy, are 7 years old, and when their twins are united. Let's discuss about the characters. Ista. Ista is a short for Ibstan Jacob, his Rachel twin brother. His behavior is very serious, intelligent, and somewhat nervous child who wears biggie and pointy shoes. Next, Rahel. Rahel is a paternal narrator of the story, and is Esther's young sister by 18 minutes. As a girl of 7, her hair sits on top of her head like a fountain in a loud Tokyo band, and she often wears red tinted plastic glasses with yellow rims. She is an intelligent and straightforward person who has never felt socially comfortable. She is impulsive and wild, and it is implied that everyone but Wealther treats her as how show lesser than her brother. Next character is Ammu. Ammu is Rahel and Ista's mother. She married their father only to get away from her family. Finally, he is an alcoholic and she divorced him when he started to be violent toward her and her children. When the twins are 7, she has an affair with Velta. This relationship is one of the catalysm events in the novel. She is a strict mother and her children worry about losing her love. And the next character is Velta. Velta is in Parvan, and the next one is Chekko. Chechko is Istas and Rahel's maternal uncle. He is 4 years elder to Ammu. Baby Kochama. Baby Kochama is the twin maternal great aunt. And the next to discuss about the theme of the novel. Theme Indian history and politics mainly. Indian history and politics shape the plot and means a lot to the God of things, small things, the God of small things in a variety of ways. Some of Roy's commentary is on the surface with jokes and snippets of wisdom about political realities in India. Second one is caste relations and cultural tensions. And next one, forbidden love, social discrimination, betrayal, misogyny, and women in India. Finally, I discuss a lot of things with this. I give you five reasons why you should read this book. Number one, grace of Indian society means the culture, social, and also many other things which have happened in India. Arundhati Roy highlighted these elements in a realistic manner to understand easily. And the second one, it is all about family relationships. And the third one is uh, how simplest act of living, connection, and communication between the mother and the children's. And the fourth one, how a human being is suffered as an individual as well as in a group. And finally, the way Arundhati Roy portrays the characters in the book